Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, front disc rear drum brakes, privacy glass, brake assist, adaptive cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.